We are in Racine, Wisconsin at the Janes building. Just wait till you see what we have in here. Tiny little thing. Oh, this is cool. I don't even know if these elevators have emergency phones. That's a little concerning. Up to 5? Good thing I got my cell phone. Oh, wow. Whoa. Look. There's the call station. That's neat. One. There we go. Whew. It's hot as hell in here. I'm getting sweaty. Let's go up one floor. I think we can go to 2. That actually might be disabled. Or it's just not closing. Who even knows? So that operates the door too. These relay elevators do have their quirks. I wonder if you can see out. Oh, come on, close up. Is there anything under here? Yes, there is. They're hiding the Kiechefer plate. You know what? I'm gonna do them a favor and move it. See? Now we get the message across, but we also respect the brand. Very good. Well, that one didn't even pre-bar at all this time. Okay, we'll go back down. Come on, you can close. Kiechefer. There we go. That's some good pre-door. Anyway, that will be it. It's going to take forever to close up. Okay, that's it.